Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'll share an amazing Google Drive trick that can be really useful for daily tasks. This trick is perfect for those in jobs, school, or any institution where you need to work on multiple projects, create presentations, or work on documents and need to continue from home without relying on a USB drive. Often, we forget to carry our USB drives, hindering our ability to complete work. But with Google Drive, you can upload your files, which will be auto-saved and synced, allowing access from anywhere. Many people use Google Drive, but have a common concern. It requires an active internet connection. Today, I'll show you a fantastic trick to access your Google Drive files and folders without an internet connection. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and go to Google Drive from Gmail by clicking the 9-dot menu at the top right. Once Google Drive is open, click on the Settings gear icon at the top right and select Get Drive for Desktop. Click Download Drive for Desktop, and the download will start. It's around 178 megabytes, so it may take some time depending on your connection. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the installation prompts. After installation, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Get Started, then sign in with the Google account you use for both home and office. Click Sign In and enter your Google credentials. Enter your email, followed by your password, and then click Sign In. Click Go Back. Click on Google Drive from Desktop. Choose the folders you want to sync from your computer to Google Drive. You can select existing folders like Desktop, Documents, or Downloads, or create a new folder for specific projects. Click Add Folder. Let's create a new folder and name it Tech AI. This folder will contain important work that I want to access both from my office and home. Click on Add Folder, navigate to the desktop, and select the folder you just created. After selecting the folder, click Next. If you have other locations to include, you can add them as well before proceeding. You can also choose to back up photos and videos to Google Photos, but I'll skip that for now. Click Next to confirm the folders that will be synced to Google Drive. Your files will now be accessible in the File Explorer without taking up hard drive space. Click Open Drive to start using it. To show how it works, I'll create a folder named Tech AI on my desktop and show how it syncs to Google Drive. You'll see the folder appear in drive.google.com automatically. If I create a new folder or file by right-clicking, selecting New, and then choosing Folder, I'll name it Test1. Once created, you'll notice that it instantly appears on the right side in my drive.google.com, showing that the file has already been synced. Renaming it to Test3 in Google Drive will reflect on your local drive. This syncing works both ways, ensuring your files are always up to date regardless of where you access them. That's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips.